cube of negative fractional numbers. Examples. Calculate the cube of -1/5. Solution. That is, we have -1/5 raised to the power of 3. Now, these 3 will affect both the numerator and the denominator. So we are going to have -1 raised to the power of 3 divided by, that's for the numerator, divided by 5 raised to the power of 3. Now, these 3 will affect, we know that these 3 will affect both numerator and the denominator. We have the expressions here now. Now, for the numerator, we have -1 by -1 by -1. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. For the denominator also, we have 5 times 5 times 5. 1, 2, 3. Now, minus times minus will give us what? Plus. Plus times minus. What would that give us? That is minus. Then, 1 times 1, that is 1. Times 1, what do we have? We have 1. So it means that -1 raised to the power of 3 is -1. Now, 5 times 5, what do we have? 25. Then times 5, what do we have? 125. We can also write this as -1/125. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.